Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you have a video that looks too dark in some areas? In Canva, you can use the shadows adjustment to brighten dark areas and reveal more details without affecting the entire video. In this tutorial, I show you how to use the shadow setting to improve dark videos in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. You can open an existing video project or create a new video project. For this example, I'll create a new video. Tap Video. Choose YouTube video. Next, select a template to continue. Once the video editor opens, tap the video clip you want to edit on the timeline. Swipe through the editing tools below the timeline until you find Adjust. Then tap Adjust. A list of adjustment options will appear. Swipe through the adjustment options until you find Shadows. Then tap Shadows. A slider will appear. Drag the slider to adjust the shadows in your video. Increasing the value can make dark areas appear brighter and reveal more detail. Adjust the slider until you are satisfied with the result. Once you are finished, tap the X icon. Then tap the checkmark icon. The new shadow setting will be applied to your video. To save your video, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will begin downloading your video. And that's how to fix dark videos in Canva using the shadows adjustment on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.